Hello, welcome to Kinderswift Lesson 9. I'm Steve from MakeAppPie.com. So far, we've worked with numbers and colors, but what if you wanted to work with text? The basic text type in Swift is the string. Like a literal double of 3.5, we can have a literal string. String literals are enclosed in quotes like this. We declare strings the same way we declare other types we've discussed. Implicit typing works on strings. You can declare a string constant by typing this. You can declare a string variable by typing this. You can, of course, be explicit about your type as well. You can also make an empty string by declaring this. If you have two strings and you want to join them together, we concatenate them. The concatenation operator may look a little familiar. It is the plus symbol. A simple example would be this. Notice what happens. Swift joins the two strings, but there is no space between them. Swift will take what you give it and put them together. Often, we will concatenate a string literal with a space between two strings in a concatenation like this. There are a lot of string functions. We will cover many of them as we go through the lessons. There is one initializer function you should get used to early, and it is this. This is the formatting string. It takes numbers and other strings, usually in variables, and adds them correctly formatted to the string. We use this very often when displaying formatted numbers. The key is the part behind the percent sign. It adds a code to say, add this type to the string. %i is for int. There's a code for $2 %f. We add a set of numbers before it to give the length in characters and number of decimal points. %6.2f adds 6 size spaces before with 2 decimal points. %10.3f is a 10 space number with 3 decimal points. Try this. Let's do an example of a variable and a calculation. Now that we have done this last example, let's go back to our pizza area functions. Right now, they print pretty ugly. Let's pretty it up a bit using strings. The print gives us 6 digits of space for the format and 2 decimal places. We print the string instead of the values. For a challenge, try to do the following. Make a function concatenate with space a comma b that returns a string that concatenates a with b, but with a space between them. So concatenate with space hello pizza returns a string hello pizza. Format the string in deep dish so it prints this. For a pizza of diameter 12, the area is x.xx and the volume is x.xx. Hint: you can use more than one print line in a function. My solution to these two questions will show up in a separate video. So I hope to see you in that video or in our lesson 10. Next time, we'll collect variables and functions into a single object called a class.